Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I just have to tell you all about this lightweight, comfortable, and super flowy dress from Coco. Now, the design is an open swing retro design that goes above the knee, and I feel like that flow of the dress is super flattering to lots of different body types. And then by simply adding a belt, I was able to change the look of the dress. So with a simple change of an accessory like a belt, you're really getting two different looks with this same dress. Now it is a halter style with no sleeves, but my bra strap did not show. And the ties at the neck, you can tie that in a bow if you want, or you can tie it in a simple knot. Sometimes I would just wrap the ties around my neck and let them hang in the front. And I really love the way that looks. So over your shoulder on one side, over both shoulders in the front, or even in the back, the ties on the dress are an added accessory to the whole look. Now I am 5'5", and it does come above my knee. It comes in a variety of colors and patterns. I have it in this beautiful jewel tone green in a size large. The lightweight chiffon outer layer material steamed any wrinkles very quickly and easily, and it is fully lined. Now it is a sleeveless, lightweight and flowy dress, so obviously you're thinking warm weather, but by simply adding a wrap or a jacket, I feel like it's going to bridge seasons for you. It's versatile and it's flattering. And that is my point of view.